Hi everyone, and welcome to TS Fibro. Today I'm going to talk about the weather and the effect it has on your fibromyalgia symptoms. Many fibromyalgia people claim that changes in the weather directly affect many of their symptoms. In fact, many fibromyalgia sufferers claim that their symptoms vary according to temperature changes, changes in air pressure, and changes in precipitation in that part of the world, in their part of the world. Most fibromyalgia sufferers claim that they experience changes in fatigue, sleep patterns, headaches, muscle pain, and the number of symptom flare-ups, which is what I do. Weather changes that I have found keeping a diary of my fibromyalgia. The sudden changes in weather affect me a lot. Okay, so who is affected by weather changes? According to a study performed in 1981, a large percentage of fibromyalgia sufferers may actually be sensitive to changes in the weather. In this particular study, 90% of patients claimed that the weather was one of the most important influences on their fibromyalgia symptoms. And fibromyalgia sufferers aren't the only ones who experience weather-related symptoms. You may also find the weather exacerbates your symptoms if you have rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, osteoarthritis. I have osteoarthritis, so maybe that's why I get a double whammy of it. What weather factors affect fibromyalgia sufferers? There are 5 major weather factors that appear to affect fibromyalgia symptoms. These include temperature. Rapid changes in temperature can sometimes trigger a fibromyalgia flare or help to ease fibromyalgia pain. Cold weather tends to make fibromyalgia symptoms worse, while warmer weather tends to ease those troublesome symptoms. Now, I do know some people who have the opposite effect. They have less symptoms in the winter and more symptoms in the summer, so it can vary. Barometric pressure. Barometric pressure is a measurement of the weight that is exerted by the air all around us. On beautiful sunny days, barometric pressure tends to be quite high. During a storm or similar weather front, barometric pressure drops suddenly. Fibromyalgia sufferers often find that these changes in barometric pressure can trigger muscle aches and pains. Humidity. Absolute humidity is a measurement of the amount of water vapor present in each unit of air. When absolute humidity is low, fibromyalgia sufferers often report headaches, stiffness, and flares and widespread pain. Precipitation. Precipitation is the term used to refer to any type of water that falls on the ground from the sky, including rain, sleet, snow, or hail. Precipitation is often accompanied by a change in barometric pressure and therefore may exacerbate your symptoms of pain and fatigue. Wind. Whether it's a light wind or a gale force wind, wind generally causes a decrease in barometric pressure. This means that wind can trigger fatigue, headaches, muscle aches, in fibromyalgia sufferers. So how does the weather affect your fibromyalgia? Does it throw you into a flare, or does it just make you achy all over? I'd love to hear about how the weather affects you in the comments. And if you like the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell beside it, and that will give you a notification that I have dropped another video. Also, if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. God bless and have an awesome day. And I pray for a cure, and I pray that you have a pain-free day.